Gracia and Bob.
Thank you, Maria. All right, time for Pet Project and time for you guys to meet Sissy. Sissy is part of the Name Your Adoption program, donation program. And Lori, for people who are not familiar with it, what is the program briefly?
We have several dogs at the rescue who have been with us for over 6 months, and we just really want to find them loving homes. Forever homes. And so if you have an approved adoption application, then you get to name whatever adoption donation you wish to give rather than there being a set fee for a particular dog.
Gotcha. All right.
It's a surprise, right? Because Sissy's really sweet and
Yeah.
she's really mellow. She's a great dog.
She is a great dog, and she's young. She's only 2, and she's very sweet. She's a cuddler, but she's shy, so people don't notice her.
Oh, well, we hope someone at home notices her right now and gives that number a call. Tiny Living Canine. Do you see that number? 805-527, the word SAVE. Thanks so much for coming in.
Thank you.
Very
So
cute.
adorable. All right.